Masters Learning Center at ibmasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 17th question from this newly released digital SAT sample questions. 17 reads, the length of a rectangle's diagonal is 5 root 17, and the length of the rectangle's shorter side is 5. What is the length of the rectangle's longer side? Anytime there's something that you could draw, it's a good idea to draw it. So let's say we draw our rectangle, and when we draw the diagonal, what do we notice? Hey, we've got two triangles. So what kind of triangles do we have? We have right triangles. And what we've got is shorter side is 5, and the diagonal is 5 root 17. So there's two ways you could actually solve this. The more straightforward way is you do the Pythagorean Theorem, but there's another way you can know what the answer is. There's only one answer that's within range of the possibilities of that length. So first off, hypotenuse is the longest side, and if you did the 5 squared is 17, the square root of 16 is 4. Turns out 5 times square root of 17 winds up being about 20.6. So you know that the other sides have to be shorter than that. So 400 is way too big. And even 5 root 2 is bigger than 20.6. And now if we look at the square root of 17, that's 4. There's no way the longer side could be 4 because the shorter leg is 5. So the correct answer here has to be 20. So you don't even have to do the Pythagorean Theorem. But if you did it, you would wind up with, it would be, remember it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And 5 squared plus the hypotenuse has to be the c, it's the longest side, plus b squared equals 5 root 17. I'm going to put that in parentheses, squared, and you get 25 plus b squared equals, and if we pulled out our handy dandy calculator to get 5 root 17, we'd have 17, take the square root, times 5 equals, yeah, there's your 20.6, and then if we square that, we wind up with 425, 425, and then you subtract your 25 from both sides, cancels, b squared equals 400, and if you take the square root of both sides, you do in fact get b equals 20. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with stuff that you've got to draw, triangles, rectangles, geometry stuff. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.